Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Unique, and today we're going to see how to rearrange the sheets on your Google Sheet on your PC or web. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to rearrange the sheet on your Google Sheet on your web on the computer. So first of all, I'm just going to open this sheet. You can see the sheet 2 is here actually. So if you want to rearrange the sheet, you just click on the sheet first and drag it, and you can see I just moving the sheet to the last portion. So now the sheet 2 is on the last. You can also see the here. Click on this arrow option. You can see more option. You can just move right or you can just move left. The same option if you are just moving the right side and also left side. You can just do like this, otherwise you just click on it and drag it, and you can just move it wherever you just need it like this. This is how you just rearrange the sheets on your Google Sheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video and subscribe this channel. And if you're having any doubts about a Google Sheet, you just comment below. I just make a video about it, and we will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Unique. Have a wonderful day.